So today I'm going to be showing you how to make the hospital fabric mask for the doctors and nurses who are risking their health to help fight the coronavirus and help those in need. You'll need tight woven cotton fabric, a sewing machine, rope elastic, a measuring tool, straight pins, and scissors. The first step is ironing. You'll need to iron out all of your fabric first to ensure that there is no wrinkles left and to make sure the fabric is easier to work with when sewing. Step 2 is cutting the fabric. To cut the fabric, you are going to start by having it folded in half and then smoothing out any bumps. Then you're going to take the straight pins and pin the fabric in place to make sure that your fabric is straight before you take your ruler or straight edge to measure 9 inches for the width of the mask. After you measure the 9 inches and mark your measurements, take your pinking shears or scissors and cut along the measurement. Then you're going to measure 6 inches for the length of the mask, repeating the same steps. After cutting the fabric, you're going to want to measure and cut 2 pieces of 7-inch elastic. Step 3 is sewing. To begin sewing, you're going to start a little past halfway down your fabric and sew to the first corner. When you reach the corner, you want to position the elastic into the edge at a diagonal position and sew it together. Once you reach the end of the fabric, turn it to its side and continue sewing, and place the other end of the elastic diagonally in the corner and sew it together. After that, you want to turn the fabric again and sew following the same steps all the way around the fabric pieces. After sewing across the mask, you want to sew across the bottom, leaving about a 1 to 2 inch opening to turn the mask right side out. Step 4 is making the pleats. Before pinning the pleats, you are going to want to cut any hanging threads and flip your fabric right side out. Then, trying to make it as even as possible, you're going to fold up a little bit of the fabric and pin it across to make a pleat. You're going to want to fold the fabric 3 times total to make 3 pleats. Step 5. Once you have the pleats pinned, fold the open pieces of fabric together and begin sewing at that spot. Then you're going to sew around the entire mask to secure that the pleats are into place. After going around the entire mask, do a couple of back stitches to secure your stitch. The final steps to complete the mask is to cut off any hanging strings and take the pins out. And then you're finished.